What you rockin' ZO2s? I'm blowing past some ZO2. You know I got a ZO2. Pay respect and pay your dues. Switching lanes, ZO2. I changed the game, ZO2.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Blond Boy, and today we'll be making an omelet. So, first off, you're going to need a bowl, and we're going to be making this for, I think, 3 people, so we're going to need 4? Oh, that one's cracked. We're going to need 4 eggs. So what you do is, you got to crack the egg, and pop it in. Make sure you get no shells in that bowl. That would be really bad. Yeah. So, today's video was inspired by my fridge, because this is all we had.
Legitimately, that's exactly why this video is happening. Okay, so what's sizzling on the stove, Mr. Blond Boy?
Come over here, cameraman, and find out. We got some bacon sizzling on the stove.
Ooh. Beautiful. Beautimous. I love it.
Alrighty, so,
It's good.
now if the cameraman would stay over here, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this bacon. You're going to need a paper plate with a paper towel over it. It's so that it traps the grease. And you're going to pick up all the bacon. You'll need it for later. Sizzling. You want to get it to a nice crispy sizzle. Because if it's not at a crispy sizzle, then you're doing it wrong and it's not cooked yet. And you're going to want to leave the grease in there so that you can use it to cook. Now, sorry guys, he's homeless. Okay.
Okay.
So, now that we're back here at the eggs, we're going to need some milk.
Milk.
Now we take the milk and you pour some in. You don't pour a whole lot.
You mean you take the milk
Milk in? This is like the 3rd time, okay?
Now you take your whisk and you gotta beat the eggs.
Whisk?
Okay, now it's time. Now you gotta beat the eggs.
What's next? Are you gonna say now it's Tim to beat the eggs?
Oh, I just said we were gonna beat the eggs.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Gotta do this faster, faster, faster. Now, please get out of the kitchen.
Get out of the kitchen, you homeless person. Good.
Now, what we're gonna need is our onions. So, we're gonna take our onions, chop, 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 chop. And we're going to take it, and you're only gonna put some onions in, not too much, because that's a tragedy, not a comedy.
Because, I mean, onions make you cry.
Yeah, almost as hard as the time when your dad left. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our bowl, all stirred, with our onions, and now we're going to come over here to our grease-filled pan and make sure that grease is all spreaded all around. Now what you're going to do is you're going to mix it all in.
Wait, did you say spread it in?
Yes. So now that that's all in, you're going to need some pepper. And you're going to mix that pepper all in. Then you're going to take your spatula and move it around.
What about Bakken?
Bakken, that comes later.
Okay.
Now, I see we didn't put enough onions in. So, we're going to grab the onions. We chop those up. We're going to grab some onions and put more in. And you're going to kind of like want it to sort of set. You just need to get it to like a cooking state. You just want it to be like a fluffy, scrambled state. We're going to mix that in a little more. Alrighty. So, what we're going to do is we're going to have that spreaded around. You didn't see that. Now we're going to take our bacon and we're going to put that in.
Oh, such a delicious omelet.
Alrighty. now we're gonna need our cheese. And we're
Wait, where did that come from?
Right now, I picked it up.
Okay.
I went and grabbed it. Now, we're only gonna put a tiny bit in right now. You'll see why. So only a tiny bit goes in right now. You're gonna want to throw away this.
Because that's dirty.
And now, you're gonna want to take it, flip it. It doesn't matter how messy it is. You just want it flipped over so we can start cooking.
It's basically an egg sandwich.
Basically.
Basically.
But today we're not making toast because we forgot to do that.
Yes. You mean bread? Because we put the toast in the breader?
No.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah, I already know. We're gonna grab some plates. My plates are very, very confusing.
That's all plates are.
Yet high quality.
Because 2 stick at a time.
As you can hear from the noise. Well, I actually know that was like 6.
There we go. Here's 3.
You want me to do that? You a little too blonde for
I
that?
got... Okay, so, now as we have our egg cooking, we're just going to need it to cook for a couple more minutes on that side. But, you're going to grab some more cheese. Put that baby on top.
Good.
Olay! And now, we're going to go
That
to a
was
commercial break while this is cooking.
And now for this pre-recorded message.
Have you ever been bored with breakfast?
Yeah?
Then try our new product, Blond Boyos.
Whoa! A whole new cereal? Buy Crappios. Whoa! I can't wait to try these. Man, this is gonna be so exciting.
And now, back to our program.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Now that our omelets cook, we split it up into 3 parts, and now I'm gonna try to get that baby in, and hope all 3 parts have equal amount, just not equal amount, but have at least some bacon, onions, hopefully egg. That would suck. Now, we're gonna turn your flame off, because that's very, very important.
Very wasteful too if you leave it on.
So, now that we have our 3 parts, we're gonna need our hot sauce. I'm gonna like rub that part on, and then you're gonna squirt some on your friends.
Thanks for being a good friend. You will always be my friend.
Sure, let's go with that, little Timmy.
Yeah.
Not until we sell you back to the Mexicans.
Yeah, second Mexican. Okay, now that we have that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna give our friend second Mexican the fork, and we're gonna take a bite. You ready? 3, 2, 1. You heard it there, folks. Juicy. Hello everyone, thank you for clicking onto this video. Now please remember to subscribe, like the video, comment whatever you want, like, yay. And also, please share this with your friends. Alrighty? We need subscribers. Thank you.